What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Today I'm here to share a really simple DIY that's only going to cost you about $2, maybe $1 and some change. You might not even have to spend anything at all on this DIY if you already have the materials at home. But anyways, you guys, this is one of my favorite practical DIYs and I want to share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you'll need is a page-a-day calendar. I actually got this one from Dollar Tree very recently. However, I'm thinking about keeping this one, and I actually have one from 2017 that I didn't use. So that's the one I'm going to be using for today's DIY. The next thing you're going to need is your glue gun, some diamond wrap, and these both came from Dollar Tree. You'll notice that this one is a little wider than this one. So I think I'm going to go with this one today because I think it will be just a little bit faster. Now, if you don't have time for a 10-minute DIY, this is definitely another option. This is one that I've been using for years, and all I simply did was I took some tape. This tape came from Dollar Tree, 3 strips of tape, and it gave it a little bit of protection. And as you guys can see, it's a perfect fit for a phone. If you want to charge your phone, it works fine. It works totally fine. You can charge your phone in this position, and you can view whatever you're watching this way. This little phone stand, decorated or not, is a great option for all smartphones in either direction, vertical, horizontal, but it also is sufficient and strong enough to hold iPads. If you guys are into making multiple phone stands or iPad stands, you could run out to your Dollar Tree, get these page-a-day calendars. I'm sure that since we're approaching spring, a lot of these are going to be on clearance, so it's a great time to get them just for the frame. They really do last a long time. You could decorate some with washi, you could use duct tape, you could use diamond wrap, or whatever you want. You guys, these are super long lasting. They're great for the kitchen. They're great for the bathroom. They are super sturdy, and I know you guys won't be disappointed. Let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I am going to be decorating my next one in diamond wrap, and I know it's going to be super cute. As I was grabbing this expired page-a-day calendar, I noticed that it had a little message on the back, and it says, please recycle this backer. And we definitely are going to recycle it. We're going to do better than recycle it. We're going to repurpose it. And I just noticed that some of these even have a little area for a hook. So if you want to mount this on your wall, if you have a little thumbtack or a hook in place, you have more options than just setting it on your counter. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to remove all of the paper, just leaving this white background here. I'm going to pull all of this off carefully. Hopefully. There we go. That wasn't really a clean break, but it's good enough for this project. So I think this will be long enough for one. Let's try it out. Yeah, perfect. That should be perfect. Now let's do it a few more times. Besides measuring the initial strip of diamond wrap, I think just comparing them to each other is the best way to get the right fit. So all in all, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips of the thick diamond wrap, and I used 1 little strip of the skinny diamond wrap. So we tell ourselves, oh, I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to measure this just right. But look, you guys, I'm one strip under. If you had alternating colors for a project like this, it would turn out really cute. Really, really cute. Even cuter than this. But if you like the classic glam diamond look, then this is going to be the one for you. I really like how this looks. Ooh, that's hot. And of course, you can always pick the little spider webs off when you're done, because there's going to be a few of them floating around. So I have one little skinny strip left because somehow my calculations weren't exactly right. So I think what I'm going to do is, you know what? I think I'm going to use the skinny diamond wrap on this one. I think I'm just going to cut one strand. I think one strand is going to be perfect. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to cut just one row of diamonds from this. That turned out really well. That was super, super easy to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down this last little strip, and hopefully it fills in the blank. Okay, here we go. I think we're seconds away from having a finished project. I might have to go back and add a little glue to a few sections though. This one next to it feels a little bit loose. I think smoothing it down as you go is a good thing too. Okay, here we go. Putting the last strip down. Let's line that up. Oh yeah. Kind of push it in and kind of jiggle it back and forth a little bit. There we go. And some of my rows are a little off, but that's okay. All in all, I don't think it's going to be too noticeable. Yeah, that one's a little bit off. So here is the finished product. As I pan the camera back, you guys can definitely see the imperfections. You can see that some of the rows are not lined up completely. So if you are a perfectionist, this is probably going to drive you crazy. And if that's the case, then you're really going to just want to take your time while laying down each section of diamond wrap. But it doesn't really bother me. I see there's a couple areas that feel a little bit loose that I could glue down a little bit better. But I wanted to show you guys just how good of a fit it is. Again, this can hold your iPhone, it can hold your iPad. I think it's super cute. If you don't want to leave a border, you could trim out some more diamond wrap and completely cover the entire thing in diamond wrap. That would be really cute as well. But yeah, you guys, that's my little Dollar Tree DIY, making your own phone stand out of repurposed materials, or even maybe going out and buying a $1 page-a-day calendar from Dollar Tree, using your glue gun, using your washi tape or your duct tape or whatever you may have at home, and basically making a super cheap DIY for around about $2. So hey you guys, if you like this and you want to see more DIYs in the future, you know what you got to do. Hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.